Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Joy-Cons not connecting to your Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, remove both Joy-Cons from the console. Once detached, press the sync button on the side of each controller to turn them off. Now go to System Settings on your Switch, scroll down, and tap System at the bottom. Make sure your console is running the latest software version. Next, restart your Switch by holding the power button and turning it off completely for a few seconds before turning it back on. After restarting, attach both Joy-Cons back onto the console and check if they connect automatically. If they still don't connect, go back to the home menu, remove the Joy-Cons again, and open Controllers. Change grip dock order. Press and hold the sync button on each Joy-Con until the lights start flashing. This should allow them to pair with your console. Finally, return to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, and update your Joy-Cons to the latest version. So that's basically how you can fix Joy-Cons not connecting to your Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.